Asemana no kure woman yana say. Pokwa ni unipe bia wanya we ntire bia na wakaya asem so yenka word but nyame kwa ni CCTV asowre. Pokwa ye vagabond boy. To kwese pa ni fenim kokone watokwe. Ubusa na kwese pa na wagina satwai. Obaya sure za anapawa sore katafoi woni hondene enti wontumi nkoye djuma ye bom modene. Sometimes ni enye sika ne tidendene. Ode to ho ane wa bawia. Okana wo so meni yesi tumi nya bibia kokwa jai. Cause we are we in matra wa try. Na manya na wakachira wuse jai hai. Obese beja ya winim de wo beya wo kai. Obetumi kura kai. Obekwaso dem no atujum. Eno ya fele Christianity. If you don't know, that one too, it's the Muslimity. So the ones are now I don't come out traditionality.
Yeah. Nah, yeah, Chamo. Adding Chiakesia Party. Thank you. Gracias, Montero Osmosis. Adding Jeffrey, fan of Fast Street, Cocomlemle. Era every war. Meaning this Sandra or him, you may Adom entertainment. I mean, Ghana for Chimo. The one and only guy.
We are guy.
What's most is big up yourself. I don't already there, Coco, Docono, and Akukunte, Osmo, Kacham Pedu, or no air boss, of a sort to knit. It is suffering you want to be a challenge more a TikTok honum na ebina wuhu ye no. There are great talent. Our Ghana, I was here the airtime, no, and more near discover. Because I call you one way, sir. We are here for you. We are here for you. Now, Safunu, my main fan cray in Chemo real quick. And for Emma, and also Kofobi, my pressure. I was social, and so Safunu, my sister, I want the shame. Safunu, my young who no more, eh? Ade, boy, Ade. Safun Tiobia, and Tiobia, say, no, Mamma, artist pressure, no, must I tell you fraud. Say na mama artist pressure. A man or not master say champna e mu eden say omuti. Safo, dey hear any talent no. Keep doing you. We are here for it all. It's you know, mo be bad pressure na onse sanata. Oh, baba na tade ashe. No onse sanata, oh na tade. Safo, we love the talent. We are not here for the looks. We are looking at the talents. Yamen kan Safo Newman and be in the industry for long na my back to back bangers. And when I meet now, so I got a talented here. And one in Shomankwala. Osmo Bonsema me ye. In Kwala 8 to 13 years. Now we share more free talent. Ekuta one more. And you're more to. Or mutimi to nyom kran and yom no craig in say akra ne nana. Kone nana we 80 something. If I no born you know, you're checking the age we're free more 102. And in Kwala they are talented here. Mobi pa kwasiada bia 3:30 p.m. live on Adom TV. Na mum so pesa oba bia ya no Silicon House production and pa show 2:30 na what na say na yentwa yengu firm. It pa show aha on that note no schools are more person more representing no. Mummehu yen schools no. I mean this is a chance for you to experience how live production no ekoso. And also a different chance to cry for school, no promotions near the mobile, when uniform near the NFA. Temperature phrase number 024 828 7692. 024 828 7692. I say, we are school. Now, per se, Oba studio bear experience, yeah. Me pacho what they are registered na free and now individual crop is over senior yeah live productions with me join your Silicon House production kwesi ada bia 2:30 now what na see yeah can on that note show any so her talent e brand into us.
Life is short so if you live and well low if you get a chance cafe job my party for hustle well low. So life go be jeje oh. If you never know what you really want, you never go be jeje oh. I'm on my way to the top. I never fear no one never stop. I ain't thinking to fall back. I keep on moving, no more truck. I'm on my way to the top. I never fear no one never stop. I ain't thinking to fall back. I keep on moving, no more truck. Don't knock on me.
She talent Echegwo. We na ye tonsa afrefe Ghana fo nyinada. Samoma emeta amofra say echi. We ni epia. Talent ni epia. Na dia ka ne die. Ye ni sa airtime no for sa ne ma no. Eti me pa cho number ne da so. Bomodi afa we ekuo bi. Eti me keep fit clubs if we. Eti me ekweku na no abiscretion ba ho. DY Academy ba ho. Enti we school. Ana se kuo bi. Na dwumadie ye ofe opese wo best studio hobby bahwe na ye twa nkofo bi 0248 28 76 92 0248 28 76 92 me pacho mombe join here na ye kwa ani ma Sister Sandy ni me mporade ni edi matem ben fire ho de wom ne say na no gay de Ghana for akosia Michael Jackson say me ngame ni me kwa me nim de odidi ne ma no Ghana for makasa sister ne bleach ne kala asesa obe pie mo sister station Hit FM and it during a view etna say na ho na sister D ebisa ne say Becca e champon Ghana for se wapo sister ne another kind of make money, but your her is here.
She posts something on social media, and some of the comments that come under her post, you wonder what's going on, like how we feel about it, especially when we haven't seen her in a long time.
Right.
And I think I'll use this as an example. I mean, the recent one you posted after I think you came out of the gym looking all, pretty and all that. Please come on Facebook right now, because I'm seeing Becca right now, and come and check out our skin color. Everything.
Oh, Doreen, stop it.
No, I'm not.
You see, I'm white.
No, Becca, you have to explain to us what happened.
No. I told them. I told them it was a filter. But the thing is that sees content. At the end of the day, I put it out there, and I should have expected that.
That's right.
So if you don't want people to talk about it when you're putting something out there, you need to be careful
But
about
I enjoy,
it. Once I put it out there, I put it out there already, and there was nothing I could do about it. So I wasn't going to explain myself a million times, because even in the caption, I made them know that it was a Snapchat filter that everybody uses. Do you understand? Mine is different, and I keep using it. I even used it this morning because I like it.
Yeah.
So I'm not going to change using my filter because of what people are going to say. Unfortunately, people people just have a way of miscommunicating out there. Do you understand? And it's absolutely fine with me. To be frank, at the end of the day, there's a million people in Ghana. I cannot go into everybody's home and tell them this is how I look or show them how I look. People that see me physically know how I look. Sometimes people even at the gym laugh at me. They're like, what? People are like, but it's absolutely fine with me. I mean, you've seen me, you see exactly how I look like. Do you understand?
At the end of the day, you are a superstar. You are a legend.
Don't you feel hurt?
That's the reason
some
why
of the comments
they
are
so.
Some of the comments are so harsh. Like
I didn't read them.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Honestly, I don't read comments. To be frank, I never read comments because at the end of the day, am I gonna see? The thing is that when my father told me one thing, and it's called opinion, and everyone has your opinion of things.
That's right.
So if I'm going to be hurt by every single person's opinion, I'm human and I have feelings. But the thing is that when you have done something for so long and you understand the dynamics of it, you cannot be bothered so much because you understand that these are people out there who just want attention.
Exactly.
And
woman, African woman, every day I look in the mirror, I see a woman. Becca, yeah, Juma, Momon, no, I'm a correct clip or no. This time I boy Juma. Juma Becca bo Ghana ha. And then you more wabo. Was a fantasy the flowers man. Oh, the African woman clip no. Yeah, beautiful woman. I mean, sure, baby, I will be na was in fun home. Na Juma wait ye. So obey. Na be man ye ma fa ho a. When ye be pia, ube wuntem. Enti no wo en fa me ho spirit ya na eje. Ya ye kwa be gina ha ka binti no. Ama na fa ho why. Ti dia kadie. Awa do be ni ye to aso. Awa do be ni. Wo do be ni. Yesu. Oni yet da. Enti sister mo isha bodongo so. Me sure say by now the what nsem a etwa guru. Ana wo koye say enti time wo nua na gigi sika no na Ghana force oh. Na kwa wo gi sika ba evidence bia ni ho say. am passe wunu no jare inti evidence for ba Ghana for ho mo ho adwuma ye ja Ghana for mo so on fair evidence mbra afa bra ne the evidence about same Ghanaians mo see we invading the privacy say gamodai enti ane aba eti na mo am pay evidence ansa na ma donate na madaroma abeto ho am donate na munyai judgment no wuti we wunyi obi ankwa Yesu Kristo wo be wuje ye nkwa kwa pepa ye bone enti wu kwadwo frimpon ana wu ametiwa why no wu age ne bone a wo be crucify obi sister no in time of need say no you help or you shush because baby oda no enye nya be ne be kai ne mo ye woni we ko sebi tafache woni wo papa twempna na debi ti mo me mo ano wo de hia dem na oji bo ne nyom se mo me mo ani pa wo bra wo wonkwa ochina bi sebi tafache ma no desumi na so ga ifri mu a be hu nsem a mo be twotwo ti what was they say no hia ye mo ano me boss kwa mpedi wa donate $500 efia mankwa so donate $200 by ye anonymous eti mo yesre nyame empire emau se oma wo ho ento na mu babaka udwumadie no eto ne de na wate so why nyame nka ho ba bia wo eti pacho nya beto ho ni we tv entimi nya de nchen entimi nya na da ho a jable ya ble no eti donation still no GoFundMe is ongoing wo mo bia fa bo a wonu ba na obi ani mochina sem ne de ebeto nso eti we are send you love and light la won yire so e won nsem no emu na de me mete wona ma sorry 2 am ne akofa nsem na ba se Sunday be training ye beka na me mpon amuzo abe abe training bi o ade la won yire Ghana for kan nsem se bra no o chiti na yire no so chem se mfa no ho because wo chiti a one more evidence na emma enyo no nko ane be ma wo cheat le ho na netizens bi say oh sister no we go ka say wanti ase kwa ye kwe betwe aba no because so one also say exchange is not robiana okay then na asem no o say mfa ne ho why ntino mo amose le we na cheat o chi na yire na ote ho say emfa ne ho enti wodidi a no monsio no no so woni fie didi why na ye nto aso real quick sakro no na moti krom ha ebo no generation we ani da ho generation we eno 14th countryman songo ye demonstration kase pa etian krofo ye o mo wa asemi mo ma diskai mo se stone boy ma mo 70,000 ba stone boy management so abas ama fato so me hwa de ama mpoma fato so stone boy management so cheba nya sand say wo nipa no wo chiska wa chemu mienu wo kronfo papa wo bi atweska wa chemu mienu e de 70,000 ato paper so e na ade de aka share wo sika ne we nyina ane ye ka bom a ye ta countryman song gwa say on the 14th of February demonstration kase pa e be ko so aye nyina ye fo aso demonstration enye fire lady de enye fire de se fire de ni nipa ni enye ne de kafa minua no kafa eightiness asama abeto ho no aboy so mutwia more than 70,000 so the Ghana for enemy ye bisa omo ne say ensesa ne we wo de anya hwe e bi kwa wanwia wani wo eyesight ngenti wo 70 so the ensesa ne bre why ya chanko yanka meka wa krofo chanko wa wanya yi eightiness asema eda ho eno no enti ye ntie asem no ankasa emre je ye ba ye to aso.
And I'm happy you raised the issue of the pitch. The last time the Director General and yourself appeared before this committee, I was sitting where Honorable Ajay Boateng is sitting, and I asked a question. Before I finished asking the question, the Director General responded. I asked a question about pitch covers and whether the National Sports Authority had pitch covers to protect the pitch. Because football, for example, the state of the pitch will affect the output of the game. And like I said, I didn't finish asking the question, and Director General, you responded that you had pitch covers and you used pitch covers. festivities after you suspended. Is the microphone working again? Okay. So without approval from the minister, you suspended, Director General, this is to you, you suspended sporting activities. Did you use pitch covers during the social activities and religious activities that were held at the Accra Sports Stadium?
Thank you very much, Honorable Chair. First of all,
the question I've asked you, Director General, is yes, we used. No, we did not. I've got quite a number of questions. So let's make it snappy.
There were a number of events. The one, I think probably you are referring to the December concerts, which they took almost about 6 years setting up, did not use their pitch covers.
There were none of. Please. I just asked the question. Did you use pitch covers?
For that particular event, we couldn't have used the pitch covers.
For which particular event?
The one, the social event, the concert. I think
there was a concert there by Bernithing Music Group.
Yeah, there was concert. That particular one, we couldn't have used the pitch covers.
Why?
The reason is this. You know, we in Accra Sports Stadium, our turf is a grass. It's a natural grass. I think the technical people are here. They can help you with it. It's a natural grass. If you are using the natural grass surface for other events, besides, for example, sporting like football and others, if it is really for a very limited time, you can use the available pitch covers that we have. I think I have a sample here, which we have used before. You can use it. Then probably in the evening or morning, you remove it and then you resume the watering regime. If the event is going to take longer
and no diabani na we asedi hukromfo a wo say what na ne ho Sam Joy me feel more oh yeah guy that should be our standing president I me meto ama what I say oh yeah guy style baby eti to aso enkofo di o ma dynamic Ahosepe work for the adro wan waso bi aba ja adro no say yare bi how na ye kranko na say enkwa mekanfo ye p work for adro ma 3p garlic mixture ya can say emfa garlic nye adro nye 3p nye adro bia it's 3p garlic mixture esanga rewa bebre bp wa ko ache na enkwa bomodi ama sanka 3p garlic mixture na nya no nko a Joango energy drink so aba ama enkanka wonuma wo mudi akopama so agro sportsmen and women no adro a ema wo energy say nei wa ho anen ya yize ya wonnom kakra bi pa won say ase the battery ahye mu eye Joango energy drink and American farmer black sheriff so ne eye Spanish star bisa right omo bi e collabo bisa as a girl yes we go Spain now a British yes so or top notch. We are hoping for a good collabo as usual. No, guy no on fly very high. Now make I will be able to call Kumasi Academy, Kumakana Black Sheriff. Ekwoy, Madam Wasi. Yentinyum ne kakra enfamba. Friday share ni mobon that's so black foreigner fatal. Ube warrior. Ghana for be ba o de nya hwe ma minjai ba only foreigner I say F bisa. Kobiju edi na woda yen wish no happy birthday. One way you are then a door. So that because African American Beauty Parlor, Beauty Academy or dance suman. Now you quite grooming in energy. What mo share me say a day a mammy. Say a massage, facials, and I say BBB African American Beauty Academy dance suman. One more almost sorts we need. Hair Logistics GH, our Instagram, TikTok, abaya Yankopon de inshirasem ashanensa. Emano air wig, Seba braided wigger, and your hair logistics and you'll be a Hidden Glow makeup department. Florence Morty, on the chimney, and my seniors on duty, PRO, Osmosis, Akins, and Afi Master Thomas, Welbeck Peru, Ama Ampoma Bigils, AME producer. Na Omomudio Mawoda, Yamobosuna, sorry, so Kobijia, Edina Woda. Happy birthday, Brakobi. Yami in Shawi, or Danny Dengina. Amen. Yadibesi. Yami Adom Ifiada upcoming Friday. Yebeshia. I'm the guy's queen. Wishiamu Kumai Gaboche. Fabum. Mackerel.